Here in the high pastures, the yak's coat is a marvel of nature. Look closely at the fibers.
Okay, easy now, bring it straight back. Watch the pallet. All right, hand me the black one next.
We prioritize the white wool first, according to the manifest.
Got it. Let's get the jack under this one.
High in the mountains, the journey of premium yak wool begins, destined for the factory.
Bring that pallet around to the left. Okay, watching the stack now. Clear behind you.
Here at factory, our skilled workers meticulously separate the raw white and black yak wool fibers by hand. The temperature is holding steady at 30 degrees. Good, the fibers look clean and undamaged. The freshly washed wool is fed into these soft rollers to gently remove excess water before drying.
The fiber opening machine gently separates the yak wool, transforming the dense fibers into this incredibly soft, lofty material you see here.
Here at the factory, raw yak wool fibers are transformed into the world's finest luxury yarn.
Let's double check the collar radius on the digital pattern.
Good catch. I'll correct it now before Mark starts cutting the white wool.
Here at Factory, our computerized systems ensure every cut of this rare yak wool is absolutely precise.
Here at the factory, every seam is meticulously crafted by our skilled artisans.
Here in the Factory, our skilled artisans meticulously assemble each garment, blending traditional craft with modern precision.
Inside the factory, our skilled artisans meticulously blend the finest yak wool, ensuring every stitch meets our high standards of luxury.
We check every stitch. It has to be perfect before it leaves the workshop. How is the tensile strength on the white bag? Excellent. All specifications met.
Every single fiber is inspected by hand before it leaves the factory. It's this attention to detail that defines or Score Factory. At the heart of the Factory, every piece, from the finest yak wool to our luxury leather bags, is handled with the utmost precision and care.